तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं सोशलॉजी सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंडिया जनरल इलेक्टिव 6 की आंसर की। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द मेथड टू एस्टिमेट द पॉवर्टी लाइन इन इंडिया? सी पॉट डी पॉट इनकम मेथड। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, व्हाट इज द एवरेज कैलोरीज रिक्वायर्ड इन रूरल एरियाज फॉर मेजरिंग पॉवर्टी? ए पॉट 2400 कैलोरीज पर पर्सन पर डे। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, which one of the social groups is vulnerable to poverty? B part schedule caste. Question number 4, what is not one of the major cause of income inequality in India? C part gap between rich and poor. Question number 5, which of the following is a major indicator of poverty in India? C part income level. Question number 6, which of the following is true regarding percentage of chronic hunger in India? B part, it is decreased. Question number 7, which of the following is not considered as a social indicator of poverty? A part, less number of means of transport. Question number 8, Lakhdwala committee was appointed for D part, poverty estimation. Question number 9, what does absolute poverty means? Poverty, D part, poverty in terms of the basic minimum calories required. Question number 10, what is the main objective of Antyodaya program? C part, uplift the poor. Question number 11, what is the effective measure of poverty elevation? C part, encouraging private investment. Question number 12, which of the following is a cause of poverty in India? A part, low level of economic development. Question number 13, poverty is measured in terms of P part, poverty line. Question number 14, absolute poverty is also known as A part, subsistence poverty. Question number 15, what are the dimensions of poverty? D part, all of the above. Question number 16, which of the following is not source of social problem? C part, personal development. Question number 17, which of the following is the characteristic of social problem? A part, they require collective approach for their solution. Question number 18, the causes of social problem may be D part, all of the above. Question number 19, which of the following is a social problem? B part, drug addiction. Question number 20, which of the following are potential factors of social problem? D part, all of the above. Question number 21, which of the following is the economic factor of social problem? C part, poverty. Question number 22, pathological social condition give rise to social problem? B part. Question number 23, social problems are D part, none of the above. Question number 24, which of the following is a social problem? D part, all of the above. Question number 25, which of the following are not the social problem in India? A part, linguistic diversity. Question number 26 is, among the following, which type of unemployment is mostly found in India? B part, distributed. Question number 27, the term cyclic unemployment to C part, unemployment during recessionary phase of a trade cycle. Question number 28, which of the following type of unemployment is very common in agriculture sector? B part, distributed unemployment. Question number 29, which of the following is a type of unemployment? D part, all of the above. Question number 30, which scheme was started in 1993 to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas? A part, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. Question number 31, what is the cause of poverty? C part, social structure. Question number 32, which of the following Rashtriya Mahila Kosh deals with? C part, credit needs of poor women. Question number 33, which of the following provides scope for organized crime? A part, corruption. Question number 34, white collar crime is committed by B part, person of high social status. Question number 35, Central Vigilance Commission deals with B part, corruption. Question number 36, which of the following is not a reason for corruption? D part, social inclusion. Question number 37, which of the following is a type of corruption? D part, all of the above. Question number 38, a type of corruption in which relatives are given favors is called A part, nepotism. Question number 39, political corruption includes D part, all of the above. Question number 40, which among the following is not a corruption scam in India? B part, 3G spectrum scam. Question number 41, which among the following is not a anti-corruption effort? C part, Right to Property Act. Question number 42, when was Lokpal and Lokaytas Act passed? A part, 2013. Question number 43, the Lokpal and Lokaytas Act 2013 is associated with C part, corruption. Question number 44. Black money is a money which is legitimate poverty of the owner. B part. Question number 45. Right to Information Act is related to A part. Promote transparency. Question number 46. For how many days Narega provides unemployment? D part. 100. Question number 47. In which year was Narega enacted? 2005. B part. Question number 48. Among the following, the eligible beneficiary of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act are A part. All adults. Question number 49. When was Svajati Gram Swargar Yojana launched? April 1999. C part. Question number 50. Unemployment in developed countries generally takes place due to lack of complementary factors of production. C part. Question 51. Frictional employment occurs. A part. When workers move from one job to another. Question 52. Which among the following are not the negative impacts of unemployment? D part. None of the above. Question 53. Narika was passed in B part. 2005. Question number 54. Which of the following is true about open unemployment? C part. Both of the above. Question 55. Which among the following is not the personal factor of unemployment? B part. Physical disability. Question number 56. What are the schemes introduced by Government of India to remove unemployment? D part. All of the above. Question number 57. People who are unwilling to work at the existing wage rate are called casual unemployment. Question number 58. Which of the following schemes are related to unemployment? B part. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Question number 59. Seva means A part. Self-Employed Women's Association. Question number 60. Equal Remuneration Act is related to C part. Ministry of Labor and Employment.